In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a highway icon in Figma quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a super useful method if you want to add clean, professional-looking icons to your UI designs, presentations, or mockups without drawing everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the design where you want to add the icon. Once you're in the canvas, look down to the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma lets you access extra tools, plugins, and helpful features that can speed up your workflow. After clicking Actions, choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu. This will open up the plugin section so you can search for the tool we need. Now in the search bar, type Iconify and run the plugin. Iconify is a really popular Figma plugin because it gives you access to thousands of ready-made icons, so you don't need to create icons manually. Once the plugin opens, use the search bar inside Iconify and type highway. Then press enter to search for the icon you want. You should now see matching highway icon options appear on the screen. Take a moment to look through the results and choose the one that fits your design style best. When you find the icon you want, simply drag and drop it directly onto your Figma canvas. That's it. Your highway icon is now added to your design and ready to resize, recolor, or position wherever you need it. You can use the same process anytime you need another icon, which makes this a fast and flexible way to build cleaner layouts in Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next simple design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.